Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, I started my day in the freshest way possible, heading to the garden to harvest some ripe banana there. Something grounding about starting the day with your hands in the soil. Fun fact, bananas don't grow on trees, they grow on the world's largest herb. Did you know? Bananas grow in clusters called hands, and the whole bunch is called a banana heart. These beauties will ripen fully in a few days, perfect for snacking or banana bread. Did you know a banana plant only fruits once before it dies? Today I picked these ripe beauties before the birds could. Fresh from the garden, sweet from the sun. Have you ever harvested bananas or seen how they grow? Let me know in the comments. After the garden, I headed to the kitchen to whip up one of my favorite comfort meals, butternut squash soup. Let's prep together. Ingredient prep: 2 medium butternut squash, 2 carrots, 2 large onions. Chop them up roughly. The soup will be blended later. Top health benefits of butternut squash. 1. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants. High in vitamin A, great for eye health, immune support, and healthy skin. Packed with vitamin C, supports immunity, collagen production, and wound healing. Contains vitamin E and beta-carotene, powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. I sautéed the onions first for that sweet base flavor, then added the squash and carrots. Butternut squash is nutrient-dense but low in calories, making it great for healthy eating or weight loss plans. Roasting or steaming butternut squash retains most of its nutrients, and adding healthy fats like coconut milk or olive oil helps your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins A, E, K more effectively. After simmering until soft, I blended everything into a creamy, golden bowl of goodness. Do you grow anything in your garden? What's your go-to village comfort meal? Drop your answers or recipes below. Let's inspire each other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more village cooking and garden-to-table recipes. Comment your favorite comfort soup below.